Welcome all traders to their daily look ahead. This is where we take a look at gold, the dollar, and the mini NASDAQ to find out what types of trades we can take the following day. But before we dive into the charts, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this content. Hello traders, this is the look ahead for April 4th, 2025. So let's go ahead and get started. I usually like to leave up my predictions so we can see how well they panned out. You can see here we went up, we pulled back, we pushed up, but we did not go as high as I thought we'd go. So we only went up to about, we did break new records in gold, and that was 31.65. I think it was a little higher than that, around 31.67, maybe 70. But we were looking for just a little bit higher. It didn't reach there, but it did start to come back down. And so it is coming back down to do that retest. And so expect gold to kind of come down further. I'm looking at somewhere in the neighborhood. It did hit the 30.53. That was one of the areas that we predicted this could roll over. It looks kind of weak here and come down further and hit the 30.20. So I would look for the 30.20 to 30, maybe 30.52 area zone for a move down to. And then after that, see if gold rebounds. It may have a rebound in it where it starts to lift off again. So we'll be watching gold as it comes down and retest this broken channel. So Dixie was the next one. It never lifted off. It just hovered around this area and then dropped like a rock. We were hoping it would move up just a little bit, either to this zone or the higher zone, and then drop. But it just went straight and rolled over. So now we expect Dixie to come down to about 100.42. And that's where we're looking for it to trade to today. Once it hits that level, you're probably going to expect a bounce there. So probably hit down here, probably get a little bounce coming off there. But dollar is going to continue down. It is going to break this channel and continue down probably next week. Bitcoin is really not doing much. It's just holding this channel. It did push out and then drop dramatically on Liberation Day, but it's just been ranging since then. Again, I still believe that this is going to break this channel and come down further, down to about 73,541, right around there. In Q, it did break channel, so it broke. It came up, retested it. It went up quite a bit for the retest, but it did break. It came down and it retested again. I thought it would go a little higher on that, so let's go down here to the 4 hour, and we see today. Yeah, it did. It pretty much went where I thought it would go, but it did do a retest, and then after that, it went ahead and failed, and it's been going down ever since. Now, our target zone for this is right down here at about 17,383 is where we're looking for the NASDAQ to go to. So keep an eye on that. We're looking for those levels somewhere between here at 18 and 17,370 is where we believe that's going to head to. So nice short to any pullback is a short on NASDAQ. And here's another one that did exactly as we thought would be the Dow Jones. So I haven't changed anything. We see it went right up to point and dropped, and it's been dropping ever since. So we still have that target down here of 39. You can call it 39,892, right around there. So that's where we're going to watch the Dow Jones go to. Once it hits there, we're going to be watching it. It could reverse there, or it could bounce and then go down and break and continue on down. Okay, we'll just have to wait and see what happens when it gets to that point at that level, about 39,855, somewhere in there. If you're wanting to stay ahead of the markets and understand how you can trade them and learn how I do these predictions, go ahead and click the link below. Come and do a free trial, see what we're about, and see if we're a good fit for you. So that completes this day's look ahead. We'll be doing a weekly look ahead, and we'll have that out Saturday. So you can take a view of that, and that shows our predictions of what we believe is going to happen in the coming week. Take care. Good luck. Hope this helps with your trading.